Hello everyone. Today we are diving into an absolutely critical topic for any business looking to grow and thrive: customer acquisition. My name is Sana Kabel from Webider Corporation, and I am genuinely excited to guide you through how to find and win over new customers for your business effectively. Here's what we will cover today. We will start by defining customer acquisition, explore its importance, and then delve into practical strategies and smart tips for getting customers. We will also demystify the price of a customer with customer acquisition cost and look at your next steps for continuous growth. Let's face it, no new customers means no new money or growth for your business. It's that fundamental. Think of customer acquisition as the spark. It's all about turning someone who doesn't even know your company into a happy, loyal buyer. It's the journey from stranger to buyer. So, why is customer acquisition so important? Simply put, it's how businesses find and secure new people to buy their products or services. It's crucial for several strategic reasons, and the reasons are: it will grow your business. More customers directly translate to a bigger business and greater market presence. It will make more money. Each new customer brings in valuable revenue, directly boosting your financial health. It will make you stay in business. You need a continuous influx of new people to maintain momentum and ensure long-term viability. It will make you beat the competition. A robust customer acquisition strategy means you are outperforming others and strengthening your position in the market. Now, how does this transformation from a stranger to a buyer actually happen? We can visualize this journey through what we call the customer acquisition funnel. It begins with awareness. This is the very first stage where potential customers hear about you. For instance, they might see your ad online or a friend recommends your brand. Next, they move into interest. They like what they hear and want to know more. This often means they will check your website, explore your social media, or read more about your offerings. Following interest, the journey progresses to decision. Here, potential customers are actively thinking about buying from you. They might compare your product or service with competitors or weigh the benefits and cost. Finally, we reach action. This is the pivotal moment when they actually buy. You have successfully acquired a new customer. Understanding each step of this journey helps us tailor our efforts to guide people through the funnel effectively. So now, with the funnel in mind, let's explore the how. How do you actively attract and guide people through these stages? There are many powerful online channels like online ads. This involves paying to display your ads on popular websites like Google or social media platforms like Facebook. Think of it like putting up a highly targeted billboard, but digitally ensuring it reaches the right eyes. You can also get new customers through social media. By sharing fun and useful posts on platforms such as Instagram or TikTok, this helps build a community around your brand and introduces your offerings in an accessible way. You can also build an email list and sell the helpful messages, exclusive deals, or important updates directly to the interested individuals. It's a very direct and personal way to connect. You can also create valuable articles or videos that answer common questions or provide useful information to your audience. This positions you as an expert and resource. You can also make your website easy for Google to find, so you appear higher in search results. Imagine ensuring your shop is on the main bustling street rather than a hidden alley. It makes you much more visible. You can also get more clients through referrals. Ask your happy, loyal customers to recommend you to their network. Word of mouth is incredibly powerful because people trust recommendations from friends. Now, beyond the channels, let's explore some smart tips for getting customers effectively. Tip number 1. Know your ideal customer. Who are they? Think deeply about who would genuinely love your product or service the most. Consider their age, what they like, and importantly, what problems they have that you can solve. Why does it matter? If you know precisely who you are talking to, you can reach them with much greater precision and tailor your message to resonate directly with their needs. It's like tailoring a suit perfectly for one person rather than offering a one-size-fits-all approach. Don't guess. Instead of assuming, do a little research and even ask people to gather real insights. Moving to our second smart tip. Tip number 2. Offer something valuable. You need to solve a problem. Clearly show how your product or service directly fixes a challenge or improves a situation for your customers. People buy solutions and benefits, not just features. You need to give before you ask. Sometimes offering valuable content, a useful tool, or even a free trial can build goodwill and trust, making the eventual sale much easier. You need to be honest and trusted. This is non-negotiable. People buy from businesses they trust, so transparency and integrity are paramount. You need to think long-term. Don't just chase a single sale. Aim to build lasting customer relationships and value. Now, our final smart tip, which focuses on continuous improvement. Tip number 3. Grow smarter, test, learn, and optimize. You need to test things out. Experiment with different ads, messages, or channels to see which ones performs best. What works for one audience might not work for another. You need to look at the numbers. Always pay attention to your data. How many people clicked, how many people visited your site, and how many people actually bought. You need to change what doesn't work. Don't be afraid to pivot or try new things if your current approach is not delivering the desired results. Apart from this, you need to add up small changes, like even tiny improvements in your processes or messaging can lead to significant positive differences over time, much like the power of compounding. Now, let's talk about a crucial metric that directly impacts your profitability. Customer Acquisition Cost, or CAC. What does customer acquisition cost mean? In its simplest form, customer acquisition cost is the total money you spend to get one new customer. It's essential for understanding the financial health of your acquisition efforts. Why is it important to track CAC? If a customer costs too much to acquire, you won't make a profit from them in the long run. Imagine selling a cup of coffee $5, but it costs you $6 in marketing to get someone to buy it. That's simply not sustainable. Plan for growth. Knowing your customer acquisition cost helps you budget effectively and plan for future customer growth with confidence. Lower is better. Generally, the less you spend per customer, the more profitable each new customer becomes for your business. Now we will talk about the formula of customer acquisition cost. Customer acquisition cost is equal to total money you spend to get customers divided by number of new customers you got. Let's walk through an example. If you spend $100 on an advertising campaign and that campaign successfully brought in 10 new customers, your customer acquisition would be $100 divided by 10, which equals $10 per customer. By regularly tracking this, you can optimize your spending and strategies to become more efficient. Naturally, everyone wants to reduce their customer acquisition cost. Here are some proven strategies to make your customer acquisition more efficient. You need to make your website better. A user-friendly, clear, and compelling website improves conversion rates, meaning more visitors become customers without extra marketing spend. Keep your old customers happy. Loyal, existing customers are your most valuable asset and are far cheaper to retain than to acquire new ones. You need to get more value from each customer. Encourage repeat purchases, upsells, or cross-sells from your current customer base to maximize their lifetime value. You need to target the right people. By clearly defining and reaching your ideal customer, you can avoid wasting money on uninterested audiences. You need to automate tasks. Leverage technology to streamline repetitive marketing and sales processes, reducing manual effort and associated cost. Now, we will talk about your next big steps. We have covered the essential foundation, but the journey of learning and growth in customer acquisition is continuous. For those ready to level up and go deeper, here are some recommended resources through which you can learn more about customer acquisition. There are many online courses, books, and free knowledge hubs and blogs available. Now, to wrap up our discussion today, I want to leave you with this powerful thought. Acquiring a customer is not just a cost, it's an investment in your future growth. Remember, every truly successful business builds its strength on a solid foundation of loyal customers. You now have the fundamental insights and tools to attract, engage, and effectively convert potential clients, turning those initial clicks into valuable long-term clients. Go forth and grow. Your customer growth story starts now. Thank you for your valuable time and attention today. I encourage you to connect with us at webider.com or follow us on social media at Webider for more insights. Thank you so much.